Senator Bato, you're conducting hearings at the Senate on the alleged human rights violations at the KOJC. Nagpapatawa ka ba? You are under investigation by the ICC for human rights violations of thousands of Filipinos in relation to the extrajudicial killings to support the former president's war on drugs. You have no moral ascendancy to conduct these hearings. Isa pa, bakit hindi mo naisip ang human rights ng alleged victims ng peking juice ng kulto na yan? Pero, I guess it's all for the best. Kasi, the more you affiliate yourself with that cult, the more na dumikit ka kay Kibuloy, the faster your ratings drop. So, in the end, hindi ka na marire-elect. That works out for the best. Kaya, patuloy mo lang yan, ha? Go, 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 Bato. Mwah!